Latex molds in action, turning liquid into protective gloves.
Fresh vegetables packed with speed and precision. Diamond saws slice through concrete with unstoppable power. Automatic peelers at work. Apples cleaned in seconds.
Compact power tillers breaking soil with ease. Robotic wok frying noodles to perfection, ideal for busy restaurants. Labeling machine, stamping size and origin tags on clothes. Tracked mowing machine easily cutting through tall grass, making land maintenance effortless. Heavy-duty field roller leveling soil for perfect planting rows. Wood shaping machine carving smooth discs from raw logs. Industrial cutter slicing heavy steel plates with raw power. Head cover sewing process with precision and speed. high-speed machine, manufacturing rolls of Scotch tape. Robotic arms painting car bodies with precision.
As the hydraulic plate comes down with enormous force, the cans stand no chance. One by one, they collapse, crushed flat under the pressure.
Automatic labeling machine, sealing jars with precision.
This machine wraps the tree tightly from bottom to top, making it safe to transport without harming branches or roots. A perfect example of efficient engineering. This stair-climbing trolley carries heavy loads upstairs with ease. Rotating wheels save time and effort. A simple design, but brilliant engineering.
Automatic tire wrapping for branded packaging.
This powerful straightening machine takes a bent metal pipe and restores it back to its perfect form. With steady pressure and precision, the tube is forced straight, making it strong, uniform, and ready to use again. This little machine looks like a mini tank, but it's built for cleaning. With tracks, lights, and a high-pressure hose, it crawls into tight spaces and blasts away dirt with ease. This machine, called a tree spade, carefully lifts the whole tree with its roots intact. In seconds, it secures the trunk and makes the tree ready for safe relocation.
An automatic printing machine decorating porcelain dishes with elegant patterns.
This small irrigation machine waters the crops with precision. Moving between the rows, it sprays water directly onto the plants, saving time and making farming more efficient. A perfect solution for farmers.
A giant mattress compressed into a compact size by powerful press.
During peak hour traffic, these barrier transfer machines shift the guardrails to open extra lanes, a smart way to reduce congestion and keep cars moving smoothly.
Excavator with a wide bucket digging massive irrigation canals.
A CNC lathe shapes this solid metal cylinder with perfect precision. This hydraulic shear slices through heavy steel with ease. Built to handle metals of almost any thickness, it delivers raw cutting power that turns demolition into pure efficiency.
Laser engraving machine marking production details on tires.
Red-hot steel is shaped into a perfect spiral by this powerful machine. With extreme heat and pressure, raw metal transforms into a strong, precise component.
A machine shreds and blends straw bales in seconds, a fast and powerful way to prepare feed or material for farming use.
A compact block-making machine presses raw concrete mix into strong cement blocks within seconds. Simple, fast, and efficient. Perfect for construction work.
Heavy-duty bending machine shaping steel pipes with precision.
A self-loading concrete mixer does it all. Loading, mixing, and pouring. With one machine, construction becomes faster, easier, and more efficient.
Rock cutting machine tearing through solid ground with unstoppable force. Automatic sewing machine stitching denim pockets with perfect precision. Laser cutting machine shaping steel pipes with flawless precision.
This rotational molding machine creates large plastic water tanks. The heated mold spins to form the shape, and within minutes, a durable tank is ready.
That's the power of next-level technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Megatech Dynamics for more incredible content. See you in the next one.